Salam Kiçijik dostlar. Gelin hayvan seslerine öykünelim. Meow, iyün, pepi. İngiliz dilinde azıcık aydım öğrenelim. Hoş gal.
If this very street were mine, I would order to be tiled with pebbles, with precious diamond pebbles, just to see my darling passing by. On this street there is a forest, and it's called loneliness. And inside it lives an angel who stole my heart from me. If I've stolen your heart, it's because I wish you well. If I've stolen your heart, it's because you stole mine too. If this very street were mine, I would order to be tiled with pebbles, with precious diamond pebbles, just to see my darling passing by. On this street there is a forest, and it's called loneliness. And inside it lives an angel who stole my heart from me. If I've stolen your heart, it's because I wish you well. If I've stolen your heart, it's because you stole mine too. Bus driver, look at the road. There are kids aboard, careful please. Driver, look at the pole. It's not made of rubber, don't be stubborn. Ticket collector, look at the change. There is something strange, please exchange. Bus driver, look at the road. There are kids aboard, careful please. Driver, look at the pole. It's not made of rubber, don't be stubborn. Ticket collector, look at the change. There is something strange, please exchange. Don't be stubborn. Beep, beep. said all is free.